Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to give you the demo of these two applications, FireTie to panel and panel to column. Let's see the demo. I just pick this panel as primary part and these two panels are secondary part and press the middle mouse. It will create the FireTie with bolt and ferrules. The advantage of using this application, these ferrules are added as subassembly to the respective panels, and it will also assign near side or far side based on the cast unit form face. For example, I'm going to hide this panel. Now you don't see these ferrules because the ferrules are part of the panel. Let me also go and check position. Right click and user defined attributes. So this is both sides because these ferrules are exactly at the same location. Now when I go and inquire this one, so this is near side. Let me apply this to panel corner connection. And let me double click and open the connection properties and change this one to near side. You can also add more number of FireTies. For example, let me change this distance. So here you can see. Now I'm going to apply the connection between column and these two panels. Let me open the connection properties. And now you can see. Now we can also apply this connection to column and a single panel. And open the connection properties and change this option either near side or far side. As you can see how easy it is to create the FireTie between panels and column and panel, because these connection is one of the most common connection that I have seen in Precast projects. Unfortunately, there is no such component for you to create just by selecting the objects. These applications are available on my website. If you have any specific question, feel free to get in touch with me, and thank you for watching this video.